In this video, you'll learn how to set a song as a ringtone on your Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you will successfully customize your phone's ringtone with your favorite audio track. Begin by preparing the audio file you wish to use. Make sure the song is saved on your Pixel 9a device. The file format should be compatible, such as MP3. If the file is not already on your device, transfer or download it from a reliable source. Place the audio file in a folder that is easy to access, which will simplify the selection process later. Additionally, confirm that the file is not corrupted to avoid any issues during setup. Next, open the sound settings on your device. Navigate to the Settings app, which can typically be found in your app drawer. Once in Settings, locate and tap on the Sound and Vibration option. From the available selections, choose Phone Ringtone. This action will direct you to the ringtone options available on your device. Look for either My Sounds or Add Ringtone to begin browsing through your files. After tapping My Sounds or Add Ringtone, you will see a list of audio files stored on your device. Browse through your storage to find the desired song you prepared earlier. Selecting the song allows you to customize your ringtone. Ensure that you confirm your selection carefully, as this will determine the sound that plays when you receive calls. Once you've chosen your song, tap on Save or Apply to finalize your ringtone selection. This action saves your preferences and sets the song as your ringtone. After saving, you can exit the settings menu to ensure everything is set up correctly. Call your phone from another device. Listen closely to confirm that the selected audio plays as your ringtone. If the audio does not play correctly, you may need to adjust your selection by choosing a different section of the song. Your custom ringtone is now active and ready for use. This personalization allows you to enjoy your favorite music every time your phone rings. If you wish to change it again in the future, simply repeat the steps outlined in this guide. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.